September 10th, 2016. I'm not sure if I'll publish this or not. I am seeing what looks like rain. I don't know if it's going to show up. There is definitely something falling, but if you look on the ground, there's a sidewalk completely dry. It's not raining. I can see the particles falling with my eyes. Now, whether or not the camera's going to get it or not, I don't know, but let's go outside. Hey, baby. Now, from the porch, looking towards the sunset, I can see something falling. Now, get out here. I don't see it. I look up. Nah, just chemical clouds is all. There's a chemtrail. You can see this is just, it's pretty high stuff. It's 10 to 12,000 feet bases, I'm guessing. Of course, I was a weather observer for many years. But you can see it's thin. There's the moon. We're looking to the south. There's the moon. So, I mean, these are not clouds that would drop precipitation. But nevertheless, it's so strange because when I'm out here, I can't see it. But when I'm in the house, I mean under the porch, and I'm looking directly towards the sun, I can see something falling. I mean, just clear as day to me, I can see it. Maybe my eyes are just getting bad. Well, it's not as obvious even now as it was, but I can still see little particles falling. Definitely, definitely, yes, definitely. Let me try zooming in a little bit, and it's almost sunset. So, I mean, we're at twilight. You're getting maybe after sunset. I'm gonna have to look at this and see if anything shows up on the camera or not. I don't know. Well, guys, I don't know. We'll see. Let's hope nothing happens tomorrow on 9/11. 666. Okay, there you go. Have a great day.